Okay, good evening. Welcome to
MinuteMath29.
MinuteMath number 29. This is a cool problem. I had to rewrite it a little bit. It was written better on the Mathematical Association of America's website. It's just it was too long to write on our board.
Yeah.
So I rewrote it. A cube has side length 2. Suppose that we place a cube of side length 1 on top of our cube to make a new object. Okay? And we place it flat and maybe in the middle. It doesn't say that, but they drew a picture. Okay? The percent increase in the surface area from the cube to the new object is closest to what integer? Okay, do you understand the problem?
Yeah.
This is a little bit complicated, this problem, because we have to do 3 things. What are the 3 things we have to do?
Find the surface area of the big cube.
Okay, one is the surface area of the cube. And the surface area of the cube. Okay, what's the second thing we have to do?
We have to find the surface area of this new shape.
We have to find the surface area of the new object. We're just going to abbreviate surface area as SA of new object. And then what's the third thing we have to do?
We have to find what is the percent increase.
Okay, great. Do you know what surface area means?
It means the area on the outside of the cube.
The area on the outside of the cube. Okay, great. So how many faces does a cube have?
6 faces.
6 faces. What's the side length of the big cube?
We say it's 2.
2. Okay, so what's the area of one face?
One face would be 4.
So what's the total surface area?
24.
24. Very good. Now to find the surface area of the new object, which is which is our original thing with a cube of side length 1 placed on top. Now, it can be a little complicated to find the surface area of an object like this, because the surface area under our cube that we put on top doesn't count anymore.
Yeah.
So how much surface area did we lose when I put this new cube on top?
We lost as much as this bottom face has.
Okay, so how much is that? How big is the new cube?
It's a 1 by 1 cube.
So how much surface area did we lose?
We lost 1.
1. Okay, so now this is 23 because we put this cube on top, taking away one part of the top. But then how many new faces do we have?
We have 5 more new faces.
Okay, so how much surface area is that?
It's 5.
5. Okay, so it's 23 plus 5.
It's 28.
Okay, now hold on.
28.
Get ready.
It's
I'm
28.
about to ask you a very complicated question.
It's 28.
Are you ready?
It's 28.
What is 23 plus 5?
28.
28. Okay, awesome. Seems like you knew that already. Okay, now we got to find the percent increase. Okay? Well, do you know what percent increase means?
No.
Not really? Okay. It means how much we increased over what number we started with. Okay, so what number did we start with for this surface area?
24.
How much did we increase by?
We increased by 4.
4. Okay, so we have a fraction 4 over 24. What is that fraction equivalent to?
1/6.
1/6. Very good. Do you know what 1/6 is as a percent?
No.
No. Okay, so we have to just figure that out. So we have to figure out what the fraction 1/6 is as a decimal. Okay? I'm going to erase a little bit here.
Yeah.
Okay? So we just have to do 1.00000 forever divided by 6. Okay? Because that's 1/6, right? So let's pretend the decimal's not there for a second. How many times does 6 go into 1?
0.
0. Actually, we'll just put the decimal in. How many times does 6 go into 10?
Once.
Once. Once. 0.6. What is 10 minus 6?
It's 4.
Apparently I can't remember how to do long division. How many times does 6 go into 40?
6 times 6.
6.
36.
36. What's 40 minus 36?
It's 4.
How many times does 6 go into 40?
Is 6 times, so it's just going to be this.
Right, we're going to have this, we're going to have 6s repeating. So we have a decimal that is 0.1666666. What percent is that equal to?
I forget.
Okay, well, what do percents mean?
Well, they're just fractions. They're just numbers over 100.
They're numbers over 100. So what number over 100 would equal 0.1666666?
Well, 0.166. 0.16 is over 100.
Okay, what is that over 100? 0.16 equals what over 100?
16.
16 over
100.
100.
16.
Okay, so what is 0.1666666? What number is that over 100?
It's a little more than 16.
It's a little more than 16. What is it exactly?
16.6666.
There you go. Okay. So this is equal to 16.66666 over 100, or what percent?
Or 16.6 repeating percent.
Okay, 16.666%. So 1/6 as a decimal is 0.1666666, which is 16.66666%. And the question was, what integer is closest to that?
17.
17. Very good. Very good. So 1/6 is 16.66666%, which is closest to 17%. Okay, good job. That's a tricky problem. I actually forgot to look at how many people got that right, but I don't know. That's a pretty tricky problem because you had to do 3 different things. And I've lost the pen cap, but you know what? I'll find it when I turn the camera off. Okay, good job today.